Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to delete a page in Notion and that's pretty easy. So simply open your Notion app and in the private section, go to the page that you want to delete. And in here at the right side corner, you can see these three dot options. Simply tap on here. And here you can see options which is move to trash. If you simply tap on here, your page will be deleted. Or you can also delete your page if you just simply in your private section if you just simply tap on the three dot option. Here you can also find this move to trash option, so that's pretty easy. And once you deleted your page will be permanently deleted after 30 days. So if you want to restore, go to the trash options and you can restore your page again before the date is expired. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video finds you helpful. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment sections and keep in touch with us for more tips and tricks.